Some of my friends work in 9-to-5 offices, which isn't the lifestyle for me. I don't want to be sat down at a computer desk. I want to be out there hands-on, learning different skills every single day.
Whenever I speak to people about this job, they always say, I'd never speak about my job like that. You must really enjoy what you do. Yeah, it makes you realise what you're involved with when you speak to other people.
Kieran Martin, 19, marine technician. So I was working in a pub before. I didn't really want to do it for the rest of my life, cleaning up dishes. I met someone from here and they said, look, there's a marine engineer apprenticeship going. So I got interested, went for the interview, and luckily here I am today. I've been on the likes of SD Victoria and aircraft carriers that have just been brought in. I've done jobs, loads of different experiences that you won't get anywhere else.
A career in maritime can take you internationally. We deliver services to the Royal Navy, so we support movements in and out of the 3 ports in Portsmouth, in Devonport and Clyde. I've been linking up quite heavily with local schools to make sure we've got amazing careers for people coming into the maritime space, which is one of the most exciting places to come and work. Certainly I really want to shout about and want to make sure that other people get to know about.
I'm Tom Courtier, I am 28 years old and I'm a mechanical engineer at Kinetic. My role here is very varied. I'm a mechanical engineer by trade, but I also do a lot of scuba diving here. I'm involved with a lot of hands-on work with the tools, underwater and above water, and also do a lot of design work. From university, I was applying for jobs, and like anyone else, I put in tens and tens of applications. Kinetic was actually the first company that came back to me, and they offered me the job the next day. Being really keen, I took it straight off their hand.
It's great having the youth coming through. For a young person thinking about a career in maritime engineering particularly, there's a couple of main routes. It covers a wide range of abilities and interests. I started work when I was 17. I applied for an apprenticeship through the Ministry of Defence. I've been here 41 years today. Some people would say, how can you maintain that interest for that long? I think the variety of work in Kinetic is such that how can you fail not to be interested?
Maritime is an exciting option for young people. You could be the captain of one of the biggest vessels on the water. You could be designing a new super yacht. You could even be someone who's going to unlock new technologies to help our oceans. It is an industry which needs to draw on the talent that we have today to help us shape the industry for tomorrow.
It's a no-brainer to have one of the leading maritime education centres at the hub of maritime activity in the United Kingdom. At Solent, we have a one-stop shop for maritime education. We have one of the best simulation centres in the world, and in addition to that, we have state-of-the-art classroom facilities for all our students. In today's day and time, you need cutting-edge technology to cope with the latest that's out over there. It is an industry that offers equal opportunities. So if you have a dream, then the industry is awaiting, and we will welcome you aboard straight away.
My first aid, my firefighting, my sea survival, all of them qualifications used within everyday life. Age of 16, I've been given them opportunities and taken them on board, and it's definitely set me for life.
I wouldn't be doing certain things without being here at the job. Especially with scuba diving, I probably wouldn't be a diver without coming here. And to know that the work we do is contributing to lives at sea is very beneficial. We touch on a lot of things, but it's barely a tip of the iceberg in the maritime industry.